Hey Amazon sellers, get the latest on what's happening on Amazon here every single Friday. I'm Jenna Lieber with Turnkey Product Management, the Amazon experts. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell. Hey guys, today I want to talk to you about Amazon's outlet deals. So for those of you that don't know what an outlet deal is a deal that is now available to Amazon sellers who have excess inventory. So essentially what this opportunity is if you have excess inventory, you're able to submit that excess inventory to be featured on the outlet deals page. So basically what this deal is, it is a special Amazon featured deal with limited time promotional offers that is displayed on a special page called the Amazon Outlet Deals page. So to access the program, it's pretty simple. All you have to do is go to your Manage Excess Inventory page. That's going to be in your Inventory Planning tab. And there it will give you an option for the products that are available for outlet deals. So basically what Amazon's going to let you know is if you are eligible for an outlet deal underneath, if it's outlet deal eligible or if it's outlet store eligible, right? So there's different levels of the outlet deals that Amazon has at your disposal. So in order to be eligible for an outlet deal, a product must be currently available for sale in Amazon's fulfillment center. So if you are only selling products through FBM, you are not eligible for outlet deals. This is only for FBA sellers. You must have a sales history and at least 3.5 stars product rating on Amazon. So pretty normal, right? So, we talk about all these different deals that Amazon is offering, and majority of them, that is a requirement that you have to have a 3.5 star or higher when it comes to your Amazon reviews. So super important that if you are not currently there, to start working towards that. You can work towards that with our review accelerator. That's a really great way to help boost up your reviews and get higher ranking reviews. So that's one thing at your disposal here at Turnkey. Obviously the product has to be in new condition, so this can't be a used product. You must comply with all of Amazon's current customer product review policies and pricing policies, right? So you can't be breaking Amazon's terms of service. You can't currently be on a suspended list or anything like that in order to be eligible for outlet deals. You cannot be enrolled in Subscribe and Save. So for those of you that are enrolled in Subscribe and Save, you have products that are part of the SNS program. Unfortunately, you cannot enroll your products into outlet deals. And you cannot have had a outlet deal in the last 90 days. So if you have already gotten to use this program, I know a few of our clients that we are working with, they got to use the outlet program before it was released. So we are not allowed to use it for the next 90 days until that is up, and then we get to use it again. So outlet deals are currently free. You just have to submit the excess inventory that you would like to be a part of an outlet deal, and then Amazon will select you accordingly. Honestly, as far as next steps, our team really does recommend heading over to your excess inventory, seeing what products are eligible, and trying to submit it for an outlet deal, especially just the time of year, right? Obviously, you guys already know Amazon's traffic is going to pick up this month. So getting your products featured in different places like an outlet deal would be huge in terms of turning up your sales, really taking advantage of Q4. So a few questions that we did get submitted when we sent this out with our What's New on Amazon update. So we had a few people ask if this is available in Europe. To our knowledge, this is not available in Europe as of yet. We had a few people ask about the Subscribe and Save thing. And again, just as a reminder, if your products are enrolled in Subscribe and Save, they are not eligible for outlet deals. So that is one thing. And that's actually pretty common, right, guys? So there are certain things that when you are enrolled in Subscribe and Save, unfortunately, you're not eligible to do certain things. This is one of them. And then, we also got a few questions, is it worth investing it? Obviously, you're going to have to give a discount when you do an outlet deal. Truthfully, we feel it is worth testing. We always think it's worth testing at least once or twice just to see if it is a solid fit for your business, right? So obviously we always preach that every single brand is going to have different reactions to different promotions and so on and so forth. So in our eyes, it is important that when new deals like this do come up, that you are testing out and you are seeing if it is a good fit for your brand and of course your business. Now, as far as outlet deals goes, that's all I have for you. Thank you guys so much for listening, and I'll see you next time. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Here at Turnkey, we are committed to bringing you the ultimate best. So make sure you go ahead and subscribe by hitting the bell here. See you in the next video.